Hi there, let's get into it. Why am I shutting down AmazeballsVFX? I started VFX with the intention to teach people how to take their videos from ho-hum to amazeballs. For the past few months, I've been working in UGC, which is called User Generated Content. I come from a background of making videos professionally for over 10 years. A lot of UGC is driven by people that don't come from the traditional content creator background. What drew me to UGC was that there weren't a lot of people over 35 making these videos. I'm 50, brands just weren't finding that kind of creator. When I started engaging with people over 35, I began to realize that there weren't any resources tailored specifically towards creators who were coming to content creation at a later age. I learned there are a lot of people in their 30s and 40s and 50s who wanted to become content creators. They were quitting because they weren't finding the necessary resources. They were having a hard time learning the technical aspects of video creation. Being a creator in your 40s or 50s is not like being a creator in your 20s or 30s. At our age, you're dealing with being a parent, taking care of our own parents. We're sending kids off to college or becoming empty nesters. Don't mistake any of that stuff as a disadvantage. As an older creator, you have the advantages of knowledge. You have the experience. There's stuff that you can pass on to other people. That is information that somebody else could use on your YouTube channel. Brand may need you. The problem I notice is that there's just not a lot of solid information out there for people over 40 to learn content creation. The worst part I found is that people over 35 are stuck with these limiting beliefs about becoming a content creator. I'm too old, I'll never understand this, what if people laugh at me, I can't make money doing this. I felt that the limiting beliefs were a lot harder for people to overcome than any of the technical aspects of video creation. It's never too late to become a creator. Anybody can do this. There are no age restrictions to being a successful creator. You can make enough money to quit your 9-to-5 and do this full time if that's what you want. It's not really about the money. It's more about creating a life that you enjoy, that works on your schedule. I'm making a switch from AmazeballsVFX to a business called Creator Later. My goal is to be a resource for boomers and Gen Xers that want to learn everything there is about content creation so they can become a full or part-time content creator. We'll talk about creativity, career, business things you need to know, tech and gear, some of the things that come up in regards to our age, and I'll also talk to you about my personal story as a 50-year-old content creator. I want to help older people learn video content creation skills faster. I want to teach you how to film videos, how to edit videos, how to market yourself for brands. I want to show you how to make money doing this, and just tons of other stuff. Older people want creativity, flexibility, and freedom. If these are your motivations for getting into content creation, then I want to be the best resource possible for you. Be sure to follow me here on YouTube, as well as TikTok and Instagram, and sign up for my newsletter. It's never too late to learn how to create. I think I'll stick with that one. Thanks for watching.